The helicopter has finally arrived. We have been waiting for the past 2 hours. The weather looked very pleasant here, but on the way it seemed to be showing cloudy, so it was on hold in Dimapur for 2 hours. Hello, if you are new here, please do like and subscribe. This is Daily Miracles. And if you are wondering what I am doing here, I came to Kiphire to attend a friend's wedding. While coming, we came by bus. It took us 12 hours. The journey was a very long one and very tiresome, so I thought I would take this air road to Dimapur, which would take me only 40 minutes. The helicopter landed and the passengers got out and the engine did not even stop. We were to go inside in hurry. So I rushed in to take the window seat because I wanted to take the view since it is my first time. We put on our headgear. This is to protect our ears from the loud sound of the helicopter. And slowly we took off from Kiphire down. The view was so beautiful and so mesmerizing. It was totally worth by ear. The weather was not very good for the past 1 week and the chopper service was cancelled, but the weather is very good today, as you can see outside the window. And it is a miracle that the day I booked my ticket, the service has also resumed on the very day after a week. Here we take off and please enjoy the beauty. And this is 4 friends who were asking me the price. It cost me 3,000 from Kiphire to Dimapur and Dimapur to Kiphire likewise. But it also differs from town to town. I will put the list at the end of the video. You can refer to it. Another question in my mind was, will I get motion sickness? Because I usually get sick when I travel by car. It doesn't happen in flight, but this is my first time in helicopter and I was worried about the sickness. But the views were so mesmerizing and it kept me awake the whole time till I landed safe in Dimapur. Some of the places were sunny, while others were gloomy and cloudy, but it was very beautiful to look at both the sunny, clear weather and also the clouds. I felt like I was flying among the mountains, the valleys, the rivers, and the field all look amazing, and I could not stop admiring the beauty that God has created. And here, this is me, loving every second of the ride from the top. This is a field just before we landed in Dimapur. It looks very beautiful from the top. I don't even know what this place is. If you know, please do comment down. just sampling, like Ecclesiastes says, heaven, heaven. The sweetest and short ride came to an end. It was just in a blink, and I am thankful to God for the miracles in the air, the thrilling experience, and for giving me many thoughts to ponder. Here I have landed safely in Dimapur. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and come back.